West Virginia highways is always going to be a big animal to try to tame. Preston County has some of the highest amount of secondary and especially rural secondary roads in the state. We have a hard time hiring enough staff up in that county to keep up with all the maintenance that is required. And so we're trying to do something up there to get the roads in better shape with this reclaimer. Now, regular paved road patching takes a bigger crew than your typical gravel road blading and stabilization. A lot of times on a gravel road, we can get away with putting, some signs out and a grader and maybe a couple trucks. But when it comes to like a paved road, it usually takes more traffic control and more folks to help with the grinding of the holes out and then putting the asphalt back. And so these low bituminous roads, or these tar and chip roads, they're kind of in no man's land when it comes to how to patch them. Hand patching isn't real easy. You can't really go out and grind them in the same fashion that you would a road with more asphalt depth to it. And so one of the best ways to go about patching them and getting them smoother and in a shape that creates a better ride for the general public is to go in and reclaim them with a big grinder and grind them up, and then take the grader and grade it into template and then compact it. If you look at how many roads West Virginia has miles per capita, we have each person, that would be man, child, and woman, would have to take care of or be responsible for 99 feet of roadway. That is by far more than even the closest other state out there. I think the closest one is Wyoming at like 75 or something like that. And so we always will have an uphill battle with our roadways, but we are focused more than ever on making maintenance a priority, and we are seeing some results for that focus.